Yoga during pregnancy is very beneficial. Yes, during pregnancy, a woman goes through a lot of changes in the body, and prenatal yoga asanas help in relaxing the body muscles as well as strengthens the pelvic region. Also, there are 10 yoga asanas for normal delivery, which every pregnant woman should follow. The first one is Tadasana, that is palm tree pose. We'll talk about this asana now. Yes, while it looks very simple and non-significant, the position helps in uprighting the posture of the body. And every pregnant woman should do this asana, regularly consulting the gynecologist. The next asana we'll be seeing is Vajrasana, that is the thunderbolt pose. Now we'll talk about this asana. The thunderbolt helps in strengthening the back as well as makes your posture erect. It also helps with the relaxation of muscles. Now we'll see the next asana, which is very beneficial for the pregnant woman. The third asana is Utkatasana, that is chair pose. Now we'll talk about this asana just as the name suggests. The chair pose is where you pretend to sit on a chair, but there is no chair. This posture also helps in the strengthening backbone. Now we'll see the other asana, which a pregnant woman should regularly do. This is Bhadrasana, the butterfly position. So this posture is effective for your arms, thighs, pelvic region and back because of an overall involvement of all these body parts. Thus, it is very beneficial. The next asana which a pregnant woman should regularly do is Konasana, that is the angle position. So we'll talk about this asana now. This exercise makes body more flexible and leather, as that helps during delivery as the muscles aren't tensed. A pregnant woman should regularly follow this asanas so that the normal delivery can be done easily. Now we'll see the next asana, that is Malasana, the garland pose. Friends, this yogasana works wonders for the area below your waist, that is your hips and thighs. This yoga exercise also opens the pelvic area. This asana should be regularly done by the pregnant woman. Now we'll see the next asana, that is Agnitambhasana, that is ankle to knee pose. Now we'll talk about this asana. It opens up your hip and relieves your lower back while making space for your belly. It is the best pose to cure and prevent lower back pain. Now we'll see the other asana, which is also very beneficial for the pregnant woman, that is Kapotasana, that is the pigeon pose. Now we'll talk about this asana. The pigeon pose creates a dip, hip and thigh stretch and is excellent as a cool down after challenging strengthening poses. So it is very important to do it regularly in case you are wondering and you are asking for normal delivery. Now we'll see the next asana, that is Balasana, the child pose. The easiest one, the child pose, is one of the most relieving prenatal yoga poses that helps take the pressure off your belly. So one must regularly do it so that normal delivery can be done very easily. Now we'll see the next asana. Yes, the last one, Supta Baddha Konasana, the bound angle pose. Now we'll talk about this asana. It is a very easy pose which widens your hips and prepares you for labor. They also help relieve tension and tiredness from inner thigh muscles and legs. So these were the 10 asanas which must be regularly followed by a pregnant woman. Also, do not try any kind of yoga asanas. There are only certain asanas suitable for a pregnant lady. Always begins with a warm-up. Let your body open up a bit before jumping into action. Consult your doctor if you experience any kind of inconvenience that affects you.